Okay, guys, bottom of the deck, I have death reverse. So somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. If not, whoever messed up, this person feels like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. So they made a decision. Yeah, they feel like things aren't going to improve, but they could have also made a decision to remove themselves from some type of third-party situation because they didn't see anything improving there. Yep, there's no balance. They know they didn't balance things out with you. Some of you could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but see, this person felt stuck. Whatever this codependent situation is, pertaining to some type of family drama, family situation, like this is what they're needing to let go of. They're needing to remove themselves. But see, again, I'm telling you, they feel trapped in this situation. They're frustrated about it. And they're frustrated because they stabbed you in the back. Time and time again. Yep, because in the past they took too long. They moved slow. And see, now they're coming out of being frustrated. And see, Taurus, they want to give you this offer of a new beginning, but they're afraid that things may not improve if they do not remove themselves from this situation that they're in, because somebody has been interfering. It could have been a mother, or there's just somebody here that definitely was interfering in between you guys, you know, or between you guys. I do feel like this person is going to free themselves, because if it's like a love interest, they are going to be single. So they're going to get out of the situation if they haven't already. Let's see. See, they were moving slow, and the Knight of Pentacles came out reverse, but it basically more so landed on top of children. See what I'm saying? Somebody was moving slow because either they know that they were being really childish and immature towards you, or they were moving really slow in the past because there was a child or children involved in this situation. And see, now they're not moving slow like they were. They're getting ready to pick up the pace. To offer you the commitment. Taurus, you could be dealing with another Taurus. I don't know if I said it, and if I said it, I'm sorry, but I'm going to say it again. Somebody could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But see, this person definitely wants to give you the offer of commitment, but they're moving slow because they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow because they messed up. Yep. This person, they know they hurt you, and they're upset within themselves about it. They could have also taken some type of financial loss or financial hit. Yep. But I do feel like they're sad as well because they were being sneaky towards you. And see, I think that's interesting that the High Priestess landed on top of the Hierophant. So I'm going to just say it could be definitely twin flame situation, soulmate twin flame. But either which way, I do feel like this person is using their intuition because they do want to have a commitment with you. But see, right now, they're not moving forward because of this codependent situation that they put themselves in. They're still going through lessons right now. And they're sad. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Aries, Leo. Oh my gosh. Sometimes you gotta sit back and laugh. I'm looking at water like this is weird because I wasn't even looking at these two cards. But why I said Aries and Leo, I have no earthly idea, okay? I didn't even know what fell out of my hand. I didn't even go there yet. So, the fact that I said Aries and Leo, and there's an Aries right here, Taurus, you could definitely be dealing with an Aries, or you could be dealing with the Leo, because that is not a water sign, okay? But let's keep going. So, try it again. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio, but this person is sad. Again, somebody could be dealing with an Aries, but they're upset because they didn't bring stability into the situation, and this is why they want to give you this offer, but it is a small offer because they didn't balance things out, and they broke your trust, they broke your heart, they know this. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Gemini here. And see, they want to balance things out. They want to bring back balance, but see, they may have to give to someone else because they've been helping someone or been giving to someone. And that's the issue. Tell me more. This person, whoever messed up, they're definitely keeping an eye on you. They're watching you. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but this person knows that they want to be with you. They know this. So it's like they're going to be confident when they move towards you. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. But see, there's an earth sign here. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. I'm picking up two things. If this individual was dealing with an earth sign, or even if they're not an earth sign, this person, I'm telling you, they were given to them financially. They're wanting to stop that. They're done. They're tired of it, right? Tired of giving to this person because this individual was taking. Now, like I said, Taurus, you could be dealing with another earth sign, and this person wants to move forward with you, but they feel like you don't want to put any more time or effort into them, and they're afraid that if they give you this offer, you are going to reject it. Because they messed up. They feel like they can't turn things around. They're not going to be able to work things out with you. But there's communication coming in. Definitely, they're coming to talk to you. Definitely wanting to communicate something. But they're trying to make a decision on how to go about doing that. Because they're afraid that they may not have a new opportunity with you. And this is why Spirit is saying they're isolating themselves. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo here. Yep, but I feel like somebody's coming out of worrying about it at this point. Coming out of being frustrated. Let's see. Yep. So somebody made a decision that they do want a new beginning with you, but they just don't have the strength to tell you this right now. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, but see, somebody's getting advice. They're trying to figure out how to go about doing this because they want to take the leap towards you. But because it's like they left you out in the cold in the past, they're hoping that you basically heal from it. But because they did it and they left you the way they did, they feel like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Yep, they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. There's an earth sign. Somebody's dealing with earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But this person wants to come back, and they want to give you this secure offer here because they do want to have a victory with you. Okay. Yep, look at that. They want a family with you. They see you as wish fulfillment. They want stability with you. They want everything. But see, this person, they hurt you. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. And this is why they're afraid you're not going to accept their offer. If they give it to you, you're going to pour it out. Yep, because they did put you in a third party. And see, they know that they have to remove themselves. And they're not content with how things played out. And they're not content with their finances because I'm telling you, they had to give to someone. And this is them knowing that they have to walk away from this person, but they're afraid that you're going to walk away from them for good. And see, this person wants to have a family with you. They want to have a happy home. They see stability, but the thing is, they feel like they lost you for good. This person isn't giving up, okay? Because there's an offer coming in. They don't want to argue with you. And I feel like they're no longer arguing with themselves about what they should do, what they shouldn't do, the timing. Like, they're like, I just have to go for it. I have to be confident. But they keep thinking about the past. And they know you're not the one to play with. It's like they feel like if they come and talk to you, you're going to be really cold towards them. Somebody's dealing with an air sign, Aquarius. Okay. Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Y'all see this? Look at that. I'm telling you, this is definitely a soulmate, possible, even twin flame situation. And it's like, you want to hear them out, but you're tired of the nonsense. You're tired of the games. This person here, they don't want you to cut them off. So somebody made a decision, okay, that they're wanting to speak their truth to you. Could be dealing with a Libra. But they just don't know how to go about doing that. They don't know how to even approach you, how to even speak the truth, if you're even willing to hear them out. They're in their head about it. But they're saying they're going to come out of being frustrated because they do want to balance things out with you. But they're afraid that you're going to drop them. They feel like you're going to do them how they basically did you. Or you're going to let them go once they tell you the truth. Because see, this offer that they're going to give you, they feel like you're going to turn them down. And this is why they're not putting in the work right now to come towards you. They don't have any hope. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. Yeah, they're not happy with themselves right now. And they're scared. Could be dealing with a Pisces. Because they were being sneaky in the past. See? They're scared to give you the truth. But they're going to talk to you. Because they do want a new opportunity with you. But see, I'm telling you, this person is afraid. They can't sleep. They're up. They're in their head. every single day, every single night. Fear. See what I'm saying? Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify the devil, please. But they're not confused. They know who they want. And they're just taking their time. They're just not being positive right now about the two of you. Tell me more. Because they're feeling like you don't want to have a commitment with them, or you're not going to commit to them. Or this is them needing to break away, break free from the situation that they're in. They're back and forth with the Knight of Wands. There's something that they want to say, but they're not saying it. They definitely want things to improve between the two of you. Yep, there's a Tower moment here. There's something that's going to be coming down, but you see how the Three of Swords came out? This person hasn't gotten away from this situation, this codependent situation. But I feel like the universe is getting ready to shake something up because they know that they want to be with you, but at the same time, they're not making a move. It's like they're staying stuck, or they're choosing to stay stuck when they know they need to get out of this situation. So the universe is getting ready to step in. All right, Taurus, that was your reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So thank you guys. I love you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Taurus.